screwdriver. What is going on, guys? Oscar here with another YouTube video, man. Today, man, we have a 9904 Mustang video, and we are back at it with making, YouTube videos in general, man. Big shout out to the people that have been wanting to, me to drop for you guys. It's been forever. It's been, I feel like 2 months, but I've been taking a lot of things and taking care of, in my life, behind the scenes. So, we're getting things rolling again. But we have a special carbon fiber steering wheel, leather, carbon, by Beef Performance here. Make sure to go follow their page on Instagram, man. Big shout out to the man out there. They absolutely killed it when I got it. I completely fell in love with it, and I just wanted to install it on the car right away. So, if you have a Mustang with my year 9904 Mustang, or newer Mustangs, or Dodge Challengers, Chargers, Camaros, Corvettes, man, they have a lot of options for all their cars. A lot of customizations, what you can do to the steering wheels and stuff like that. My steering wheel costs about the $900 range for the leather. You can always change it up with Alcantara or red leather, or different type of stitching that you want. With that being said, man, I also have a little bit of other goodies of carbon fiber that I got on my car by Carbon Driven, and they obviously complement all the carbon fiber stuff all together for the interior. And I've been wanting to just completely get 100% carbon fiber for all the parts you can get for my car. I feel like I'm almost there. So little by little, man, we're gonna have 100% carbon fiber interior and exterior on the parts that I can get. But today, man, we're gonna go do a couple of things before we install it. But hopefully you guys hang around and watch the whole video through and enjoy. We are at a quick car wash with my boy Danny right here. We're gonna go to link up with one of the boys to do a video shoot. Sorry about the mess, man. This car is, I honestly have not cleaned it or washed it in a minute. But right now we're gonna get a quick little wash right here, and let's see it. So I guess it's Alrighty, guys, so we just got here to the location here at Kearney Park. I'm with the boy Danny and the boy Adrian. We're gonna shoot him a reel right here for his car. You guys see it right here. See what we can do, and hopefully we can hook the boy up right now so we can post a dope little reel on Instagram. Alrighty, guys, so it is time to install the new steering wheel right here. Obviously, you guys see right here the stock one that I have in the car on my 9904 Mustang. Same with the 96 S95 Mustangs as well. Pretty much, yeah, we're gonna get this top down so we get some more light, and then unplug the battery and just start trying to get this thing off and get this thing going. So here you guys have the steering wheel right here, ready to go. So we're gonna start on it. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna use a size 8 right here. Alrighty, so then this just pops off, and then we should just be able to disconnect it right here on top. Always be careful, like I said, make sure to have that battery disconnected and everything. Alrighty, so I already disconnected it before I was recording, but there is a clip right here that you pretty much press and then pull out, and then this just comes off like that. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna use a T47 torque screw right here to take this one off. We're gonna use an impact and get that off right here. You guys see it? So the next thing you need is you're gonna have to, unless you have one, is a steering wheel puller. You can rent one of these for $20 at AutoZone. So let's go ahead and start. I guess you gotta separate this metal part from the steering wheel. We're gonna show you how to do that right now. So this shit goes like this, right? There it is. And it's off. Alrighty, so I'm gonna swap all this hardware over. Pretty sure just a lot of unscrewing the screwdriver, and swap it over to this because you see it's just bare. And just gonna do that now. Just back. Same thing for the other side right there. Alrighty guys, so the steering wheel is on the car right here. I'm not gonna do a completely reveal right now. I'm still gonna have to clean the interior a little bit, plug the battery and everything, but we're gonna do that in the middle of the day and show everything off. So big shout out to my guy Abraham for helping me install, and you know, it looks really nice, and I can't wait to show you guys in the daytime. So let's wait for that right now. Alrighty guys, so we are back here at home now. We had to cut it short over there at the spot where we're recording, but there you guys have the reveal of the carbon fiber steering wheel, flat bottom, leather, by Beat Performance. Make sure to go follow them if you guys are interested in getting yours, or have a buddy or a different type of car that you have that would look nice with one of these. Big shout outs to you guys. Big thank you for 3K subscribers, man. That milestone, it means a lot that a lot of people are still subscribing. I would see the the view count, the subscriber count still going up even when I was not posting. I really appreciate you guys for all the support, but put some some suggestions, some ideas down in the comment section of what you guys want to see. I'll give you guys a hint for the future. I do want a new build on the channel of my own, and just bring some more content out of that. Something more new. I don't want to get rid of my car or anything like that, but I do want like a newer Mustang or just a new build of some sort. So stay tuned for that. But with that being said, I appreciate you guys in advance for everything, and we're gonna keep it rolling, man. So Oscar Tubi here. Always stay tuned.